Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says find the value of the determinant this. Okay. So, if you will observe these determinants, okay, you are observing two elements. Correct na? Two over here, two over here, two over here. You are not having combination of three things and three things. Here also you can split this thing into two things. Correct? So I will try to crack down the idea. So 2 times, okay, leave this 2 times. You know that it is product of two determinants. So I'll show you how to solve this thing. Okay, now look at this. So first determinant with second determinant. Be very careful, okay? And look at this, this is not the good thing. Okay, this is a1b1 plus a1b1. So I will take help of this person. This is what a first row second column. So first and second. So can I say that like I will go with a1 this way, okay, and a2 this way. So this thing will become what? First with second. So this situation they will give, correct? So I will go with b2 b1, correct, and we will check whether we are correct or wrong. Now look at this. This is a13. So 1 with 3. But look at this. You are not having, you are only having a1, you are not having a3. So this combination is wrong. You got my point? Now come back again and restart the game. So suppose that it was a1. a1 you have taken, first element. Now I will take b1. a1 b1. So this thing will become what? a1 b2 and then a2, and maybe over here we don't have the third thing, so I will say it is 0 and I can put anything over here. So this thing is satisfied. Now look at this. This is a13. So look at this. You have a1, you have b1, so this is okay. So with a1 you want b3, so here we will write b3, and here we will write what? a3, and next term we don't have, so I will write 0. Understood? Now look at this. I will take help of this one. So you know that it was a1 b1 plus a1 b1. So you already have used a1, so you need b1. So here I will write b1. You already have used b1, so I will write a1, and this thing will become 0. You got my point? And you know that with this idea every situation got satisfied, correct? Now I will go with this thing. This is a21, means second with the first one, and let's check. So we have b1 and b1 is over here. So with b1 you want whom? You want a2. With a1 you want whom? You want b2. And here we don't know who is this, so it is something into 0 will become 0. Is that okay? Now take help of this thing. So this is what? a13, sorry, 31. So this with 1. Now be very careful. With b1 you want a3, so here a3. With a1 you want b3, and here you can put anything, correct? So you split your determinant into product of two determinants. Is that okay? Now, you know that it is product, so you will find out the determinant of this thing and determinant of this thing, and then you will multiply. But look at this. If you will observe this determinant is what? It contains 0 as its all element. Its all element in this column is 0. So determinant of this matrix will become 0. And if determinant of this thing is 0, 0 multiplied by anything will become what? 0. Hence the required value becomes 0. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.